Greece, where history dwells in every corner. The country of Aristotle, Socrates, Plato. Where the Aegean is more azure than the sky. Where the islands are more beautiful than any in the world. But this is the Greece we all know and we come to see. The lesser known Greece lies further north. Very few people know that 80% of Greece is mountains and hills, making it one of the most mountainous countries in Europe. It is a country in Southeast Europe with mild wet winters and hot dry summers. Tourism is one of the most important industries of Greece. And the volcanic islands, the white houses, mouth-watering local food, ancient history, and majestic sceneries make Greece one of the topmost tourist destinations in the world. So let's take you all through our journey to this magnificent country and share our spectacular experience.